Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's all about what makes you, well, you. I'm talking about hobbies, the things we do for pure joy, the passions that light us up. Speaking of which, I've got a question for you all, and I want you to drop your answers in the comments below. Do you play any musical instruments? It's a simple question, but the answers can reveal so much. For me, the answer is a big yes. I play the guitar. There's just something magical about holding it, feeling the vibrations of the strings, and creating a melody out of thin air. It's my escape, my creative outlet, and honestly, my form of meditation. Someone asked me the other day, "That's great. How long have you been playing?" And it made me think. I told them, for about 3 years now. It feels like it was just yesterday that I was fumbling with my first chord, my fingertips sore, wondering if I'd ever make a sound that didn't resemble a cat in distress. But 3 years. Time flies when you're having fun, right? Those 3 years have been an incredible journey. It wasn't just about learning chords or scales. It was about discipline, patience, and the joy of seeing slow, steady progress. I remember the frustration of trying to get a clean F chord. If you know, you know. It felt impossible. My fingers just wouldn't cooperate. I almost gave up more times than I can count. But then, one day, it just clicked. The chord rang out clear and beautiful, and the feeling was pure triumph. That's the beauty of a hobby, isn't it? It teaches you things about yourself. It teaches you resilience. It shows you that with consistent effort, you can overcome obstacles that once seemed insurmountable. The guitar taught me that it's okay to be a beginner. It's okay to sound bad before you sound good. The most important part is just to start, and then to keep going, one day at a time, one chord at a time. Think about your own hobbies. Maybe it's not an instrument. Maybe it's painting, gardening, hiking, coding, or baking. Whatever it is, think back to when you started. Were you an expert overnight? Of course not. You went through that same process of learning, practicing, and slowly getting better. You faced challenges and celebrated small victories along the way. That journey is where the real magic happens. That's why I'm so passionate about encouraging everyone to find a hobby. In our busy lives, it's so easy to get caught up in work, chores, and obligations. We forget to carve out time for something that's just for us. Something with no pressure, no deadlines, just pure, unadulterated enjoyment. A hobby is an investment in your own happiness and well-being. It's a way to de-stress, to connect with a different part of your brain, and to build a skill that brings you a sense of accomplishment. My guitar journey started with a cheap, secondhand acoustic I found online. I didn't know if I'd stick with it, but I wanted to give it a try. I started by watching free tutorial videos right here on YouTube. There's a whole universe of amazing teachers out there willing to share their knowledge for free. I dedicated just 15-20 minutes a day. That's it. Some days I was motivated. Other days I had to force myself to pick it up. But I stayed consistent, and that consistency is what built the habit. And the rewards. They go way beyond just being able to play a few songs. It's the confidence boost you get when you master a difficult passage. It's the connection you feel when you play music with other people. It is the pure joy of being able to sit down after a long day and just lose yourself in the music you were creating. It's a skill that stays with you for life. So, let's go back to that question. If you don't play an instrument, have you ever wanted to? What stopped you? Maybe you think you're not musical or too old to start. I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Anyone can learn. The key is to find an instrument that calls to you and to approach it with a sense of curiosity and playfulness. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on the fun of making sounds and learning something new. And if you do have a hobby, I want to hear all about it. How long have you been doing it? What's the biggest lesson it has taught you? What's your favorite thing about it? Sharing our passions is such a powerful way to connect and inspire each other. Your story might be the exact motivation someone else needs to pick up a paintbrush, put on their running shoes, or finally buy that ukulele they've been eyeing. The world is full of amazing things to learn and do. Don't let the fear of not being good enough hold you back from experiencing the joy of a hobby. Your journey of 3 years or 5 or 10 starts with a single day. So, what are you waiting for? Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and talking about something so close to my heart. I can't wait to read all your comments and learn about your incredible hobbies. If you enjoyed this video and want to join our community, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep having fun. Bye for now.